Hello children, let us start with the third type of construction of quadrilateral, where you are given two adjacent sides and three angles. But when we say three angles of a quadrilateral, we know that fourth angle can be calculated by using angle sum property. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, and using that you can find out the fourth angle also. So whether the required angles are given or not, that depends. Okay, but if any three are given, fourth angle can be calculated. Now what we have to know about this construction, that you are given two adjacent sides. Okay, so I have drawn a figure. Actually, let me rub the names of the vertices, and now which names should be written in order to make the analysis easier, the steps of construction easier, is that out of the two given sides, any one side should be written as the base. So I'll write here A, here B. Obviously the name of the quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. So after A and B, C will come here and D will be here. So obvious. So when you name the quadrilateral, you have to take that precaution that out of two given segments, any one should be written as the base, and the name of the quadrilateral should be completed according to the sequence. Alright? Okay. Now, what we have to see is that, what we need for the construction is that, out of the three end points of the given segments are AB and BC. So A and B are the end points, and B and C are the end points of the second segment. So you need angles at these vertices. Okay, AB. So you need angle at A, you need angle at B, and you also need angle at C. B is already repeated here. Okay, so you need the angles at the end points of the given segments. At the end points, that means at A and B, and also at B and C. Okay, that means at angle at vertex A, at vertex B, and at vertex C. So in this case, three angles are directly given to you. In case, instead of giving angle C, they give you third angle as angle D, the fourth angle, angle C, can be calculated using 360 degree sum of the angles. Okay. Now, how to decide the construction? In fact, we don't have to decide anything. It goes in the logical sequence. So, I will draw a segment AB of length 5.2 centimeters. Okay. So now I have drawn a scale on the blackboard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.2. So approximately this much. Okay, fine. So I'll draw a segment of length 5.2 centimeters. Segment AB of length 5.2 centimeters. Then at A and at B, you have to draw the angles of given measure. At vertex A, measure of the angle is 80 degree. Now, I know that children get confused with the construction of angle. What will you do? You will keep the protractor like this at vertex A, and you will start counting from the 0 which lies on the side of the angle. Now the side of the angle is from A towards B, on the right hand side of A. This side, this 0 is not on the side of the angle. So from the side of the angle, whichever 0 lies on the side of the angle, from there you start counting. Wherever you get 80, mark it, remove this and draw an arc, 80 degree arc. Okay, so let us say that this is the 80 degree arc, and show the arrow at the end. So this is 80 degrees. Write the measure of the angle. This was 5.2 centimeters. This also you have to write. Then at B you have to draw a 90-degree angle. Again using the protractor, draw a 90-degree angle and show the arrow at the end. 90-degree you can show by notation also. This is the notation for 90-degree angle. Then you have to use, after drawing this segment and the angles at both the endpoints, then you have to use the second segment BC of length 4.7. So 4.7, I will take the distance of 4.7 from here. Let us say that 4.7 comes here. Okay. And from out of B and C, whichever point is already there in your figure, there you have to keep the compass. Okay. And C is my target point. That is what I want. Okay. B is already there in the picture. So take the distance of 4.7 as the radius in the compass, and from point B draw an arc of 4.7. Okay. So this is 4.7. Immediately name this point as point C. This is 4.7. You can extend this slightly. Okay. That should have been done earlier only. Okay. Now, once you get point C, now we need only one point remaining, that is point D. How to get that? I told you, you need the angles at the end points of given segments. So this is used. This is the end point of the segment. BC was given. Now we have to use angle at C, and angle at C is given to you as 100 degrees. So keep the protractor here like this and draw angle measuring 100 degrees. 100 degrees with what? With the side of the angle. This is the extended part, but that doesn't form the side of the angle. This is the side of the angle. I'm sorry, side of the quadrilateral. Okay. So whichever zero lies on the side of the quadrilateral. So this is the zero. So from here you will start counting 100 degrees. Okay. So like that, this is, let us say that this is 90 degrees, 100 degrees will be slightly here. Mark that point, remove your protractor, join this point C and extend. Wherever it intersects this ray, this is your fourth vertex D, and you get a quadrilateral. Now, I think I made a mistake. This looks more than 100 degrees. Okay. Like this, let us say. Wherever they intersect, this is 100 degrees. Okay. And this is your fourth vertex. So see what we have done. Let us analyze and reach to some conclusion. You are given two sides, and which three angles are needed? The angles at the end points of the given segments. Three angles which are at the end points of given sides. Now, suppose this angle is not given, but this angle is given. So, by angle sum property, you can find the fourth angle, and that angle should be used for construction. Alright? So, take any segment, given segment as the base, draw the rough figure, take any one segment as the base. So, if this is A, B, then C will come here and D will come here. So, like that you complete the quadrilateral, then use this segment, then these two angles, then this segment, then this angle, and then it completes the full construction. So, steps of construction will be, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Fifth step is last angle, and you will get the full quadrilateral. I hope you will be able to construct a quadrilateral on your own. I will send you the homework in your group. Okay? Thank you, children.